All right, back with another episode. Still talking about food. Hey,
I love it.
we're going to get into some Peking duck, but the origins of Peking duck. It is a food.
Awesome.
I believe you've also eaten this too. Well, I'm not surprised.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, let's get into the duck. All right, there they are. There's the ducks.
There they are.
All right, let's check out Mr. Ducky. I like ducks. That's why I kind of feel bad. They're very cute.
Peking duck is a national dish of China, and there are few, if any, with a more storied history.
Oh.
The earliest recorded recipe for Peking duck shows up in cookbooks as far back as the 1330s.
Whoa.
But the dish really emerged as a staple at royal banquets during the later years of the Ming Dynasty. The first Peking duck restaurant opened in 1416, and by the 18th century, Peking duck was being served among the high society types all over China.
Okay.
But it wasn't done involving yet. In 1864, a restaurant called Guanju opened. They roasted their duck over open direct heat rather than the closed radiant oven roasting of the earlier recipes.
Interesting.
As for the ducks themselves, the breed of duck used originally was from the city called Nanjing, which was at one time the nation's capital.
Oh, yeah.
When the capital moved to Peking, now called Beijing, in 1421, the Nanjing ducks were...
Peking is Beijing now. Interesting.
It is, yeah. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure why the names changed. And I really don't know. I don't know if it had to do with the revolution in 1910, which was the first, like, the Republic of China, not the communists, but the nationalists.
True.
I really don't know. Yeah, the names changed. It might have. Yeah, actually, it might have.
Well,
been
this was the name before it was
communist
Peking.
Anyway. Yeah, so Peking, and then Beijing. Yeah, and then Nanjing used to be. That's another city, actually, and I believe that's further south. Farther
different
south
city.
along the,
moved right
yeah,
along with it.
believe it or not.
There, the ducks were exposed to a richer diet and different climate. They evolved over the years to grow bigger, and their plumage changed from black to white.
Huh.
If you'd like to know what makes Peking duck taste so uniquely delicious, click here now.
Yes.
Was that it on Peking duck? Whoa.
Interesting. I guess so.
That was a super short video. Let's go here. I think we're getting into nitty gritty now.
Yeah, now we're getting in. Now we're going in deep.
I
We're
li-
in China now.
I like when it's a little more sensationalized, cartoonish, but we're going with it.
Yeah.
Oh man.
There we go.
You know, I often like pick on the West. I don't know, but like some people like my job sucks. I mean, I don't want to do that all day. I mean, there's other things.
I got a lot of respect for people who can do that all day.
I don't want to do that all day.
That's hard.
Picking
Yeah.
out feathers from dead ducks? No.
I know, right? Oh man.
Duh. Oh man, the things got real fast.
They really did, yeah. Donald?
There's no music. There's no talking. It's just working a poor duck.
So far raw and uncut. All right.
Oh jeez, in their cavity.
Oh yeah, and right inside the. Okay.
Man. Jeez. Oh god, this is just
there we
getting
go.
brutal
Pour it
so
right inside.
fast.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Ah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, I guess.
Gotta blow them up.
Oh, I know, right?
I was really enjoying the history of it with the graphics and all.
Me too.
Man.
This is something else, man.
And then, you know, it's this crazy part. You see this part, you're like, oh, it's so gross. And then you see it cooked, and you're like, oh, that looks pretty good.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah, like as I look at this raw meat now, I'm like, oh God, no, thank you. But once you see that cooked on a plate,
Yeah, and you're hungry.
oh yeah,
There you go.
I'll have me some of that.
all of
There
a
it
sudden,
is.
you're like, yeah, break me off a piece.
Now that's not so bad. See?
Yeah.
All right, now we're cooking.
Literally cooking.
Yeah.
So, I mean, they had them in the window. So that's what we see that, right? In the window.
Yeah, we see that. Yeah, when I
Yeah.
walk past certain places in Chinatown, I do see that, which is cool. Near me, so it's
Yeah.
that's so good too. Keep going, slicing right through that.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my God, yeah.
It's just so barbaric. I mean,
We are.
I
we
mean,
are pretty rough. Yeah, we are vicious, aren't we?
I've been separated from the process, so I sound like this for that reason. And I understand that my
Right.
ancestors, obviously the dramatic ones, they certainly were doing this kind of stuff. But like, I don't know, I'm just a modern person.
Yeah, I too am quite separated from the process. Granted, I've seen the ducks hanging in the windows, and in Russia the pigs' heads in the kiosks and stuff.
Oh,
So I remember all that, but I'm still quite separated from. So seeing the raw meat and the
yeah. Well, seeing that, yeah, the raw, fresh,
the
uncooked
the cutting,
meat.
yeah,
Here it's starting to
blowing up
look.
or whatever's going on.
This is starting to look like the stuff I would be like, oh, look,
It's looking pretty good now.
it's
yeah.
food.
I can get behind this. Yeah,
Just
as
gotta
far as eating.
take the spine out and the feathers and the.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Oh, he's got that big gun.
Oh, there, right.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet that smells really good too. Too bad they don't have smell-o-vision.
Oh my god. Oh man.
Oh, nice.
There you go.
There it is.
Got sauce on it. I
Oh,
think. I don't know
oh
what
yeah,
that-
yeah. I'm not sure what's
Something on
happening here.
there. Something happened.
Oh. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Getting wrapped in that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This video went a very different way, and that's what you get when you do things
Isn't it?
randomly.
It's a lot like international travel too. You'll go somewhere on an adventure and you're not quite sure where it's going to take you, but
No.
in the end, it's worth it. So
And then when you see it like this, you're like, dinner.
oh yeah, you just see now this.
Dinner.
I'm all about this. Yeah, like
Yeah.
I'll eat that till I explode.
This video is better. Like, it's more produced. It's like you don't
Yeah,
feel
here we
that
go.
other one was just some raw video.
that was pretty raw right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
then called Peking, and the
Oh yeah, the Imperial City.
Oh, hold on.
Forbidden City.
scholars. 4. The first written recipe. In 1330, a cookbook called Yin Shan Zheng Yao by Hu Sihui included a recipe for roasted duck, using methods that
interesting.
inspired future versions of Peking duck. 5. Special ducks for a special dish.
Aw,
Peking duck is
don't show me the duck.
Oh, they did, man. They showed us the duck. See, that's that's
man.
See, now it's like, oh no. It's
I know-
like, should I
I actually know people who like grow chickens or have chickens, and they call the chickens
Yeah.
meat birds. They're meat birds. They don't know how to give them a name. They just call them meat birds.
special dish.
I
Peking
guess
duck
that's
is
the
made
problem
from a
once you
specific
name the
breed,
chicken or
the
duck.
white Beijing duck.
Oh, there it is.
These ducks are force-fed and slaughtered young.
There he
to
is.
ensure
That's the guy we just saw. Look
there
how
he
cute.
is, yeah.
Look at how adorable.
I know.
Oh my
I know.
goodness.
For tender, fatty meat, perfect for roasting. 6. The air pump technique. The key to that famous crispy
Oh
skin.
God.
Air
That's just so Jesus Christ. I was not prepared for this video.
is pumped under the skin before.
I mean, he even slit his neck. Aw.
this separates the
he's-
fat from the skin and makes it crackle with every bite.
No.
7.
Crackle.
Roasted in traditional ovens. Historically, ducks were roasted in closed wood-fired ovens,
man.
often
Oh, yeah.
using fruit wood like peach or pear to enhance flavor.
Okay.
So
There he
in
is.
course-
There's our
There he
guy.
is. There's our guy.
You know, I eat chicken all the time, so I
Yeah,
can't.
yeah,
I
me
can't,
too. Me too.
My camera's a little messed up here. Okay. I eat chicken all the time, so some people feel that way about duck, I'm
Traditional
sure.
Peking duck is served in stages. Crispy skin with sugar or garlic sauce. Sliced meat in pancakes with scallions and sauce.
Okay.
Duck soup from the remaining carcass.
Of
Oh
course.
yeah.
A
Okay.
dish fit for emperors. The dish became a favorite of Emperor Qianlong and Empress Dowager Cixi, solidifying its status in palace banquets.
Okay.
10. Peking duck houses in Beijing in the 1800s. Specialty
1800.
restaurants like Quanjude, founded in 1864.
Jesus. All right, let's see what we
1864.
1864.
Yeah, that's wild. And
Wealth,
then that's,
respect, and heritage. 20.
Yes.
From dynasty to dinner table. In just one dish,
Right.
you taste the history of dynasties, the art of
Dynasties.
culinary craft,
I
and the
love
heart
it.
of Chinese hospitality.
Yes.
Now that you know the royal roots of Peking duck, the next bite will taste even better.
You know, these are two very, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm just going to summarize them. So, you know, usually these videos I like to learn. And there's a harsh reality to some things. And now I saw where, Mr. Duck is getting butchered. And
That's right.
it does make me sad. And it is a little barbaric.
It's very real. I'm laughing. I'm laughing because it is like for someone also separated from the process. And as he said before, our ancestors have been through it. Like, come on, right? It's so awkward to see it. Like, he's like, oh, like, yeah, that duck was once conscious and alive.
Yeah.
And was having a life, and suddenly, bam, dinner table, or headed straight to that direction. You're just like, oh, that's just.
I have watched other videos where they talk to like uncontacted tribes who are cannibals. And
yes.
I saw the video the one time. There was this guy, he grew up there, so he's used to it. Kind of how I eat chicken.
Okay.
He's eating people.
Oh, right.
And
He's like, oh, this is just a normal thing, right?
They talk to those guys. They usually like smiling too, like them. I don't know if you ever seen the tribal guys, but they're usually kind of laughing sometimes. And he just look on his face, and he's just like, tastes good. And I was like, oh, like,
I know, right?
Like, who did?
I've seen videos like that too, and I was like, like there's that wonder. What is it? Oh, I don't lose sleep over wondering what people taste like, but this guy's like, oh no, it's good. It's it's like eating, like you said, chicken. I'm like, oh.
There were some African tribes.
I'm not there yet.
I don't know what tribe they were from. When they would intimidate their enemy, they would often like want them to know that when they're defeated, they'll also eat them. And I don't know which tribe it was in Africa, but like I would be so horrified. Like if somebody's like, yeah, I'm going to beat you up. Okay, fine. You bloodied me. You broke a bone. Like I get to keep my body. But when you got like guys who want to invade your city and you're fighting for your everyone you love and your town, your city, and then you think like, hey, if I fall, my friend, my brother, they're going to eat us.
They're going to eat us. It's a whole new level of threat. Like you said, yeah. Somebody comes at me and says, I'm going to beat you up. I'm going to take your land. You're just going to be left penniless.
Yeah.
Like, that's bad.
Or even just dead.
I'm going to eat, or I'm dead, right? Oh, well, okay, that's bad too. But then I'm going to eat you.
What's worse? Like if they kill you and they leave you there to just like, rot, or they eat you. Like it's horrible.
I know, it's
horrible.
It's like it just in my mind, it's like I think the being eaten part is the most troubling.
One thing I'm
neither one is a good option. No.
I'm very, very thankful that I'm able to like do this show and be able to witness things and just be like, oh yeah, that was wild. And it's like so many other people have going like, I mean, the cannibalism,
100%,
all this stuff you see when you like watch TV late at night and you're like, oh damn, World War II, all these wars, the famine, and you're just like, damn, that must have sucked. And then I like turn my air conditioner on and go to bed. So I'm saying I'm thankful.
Exactly.
I'm saying I'm grateful. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying I can just. I'm glad I can have one thing separating me from the thing I'm doing.
Exactly. I'm totally with you. Like I go to bed at night, and even after a rough day, like working or doing whatever, I do think to myself, man, like as it's all in my head largely, and thank goodness.
Yeah.
Because it could be a war, it could be a famine, it could be escaping my enemy through forests most people can't get through, like all kinds of horrors.
Being drafted into the war.
Yeah, being drafted. I'm just so lucky that up to this point at least, I've had to experience any of that.
Yeah.
I'm so lucky, man. It could have been so different.
Just get to casually go to the Chinese place and go, can I have a Peking duck? And they're
I'll
just
have
like,
some Peking duck, please. Yeah, exactly. That's it.
I don't got much more to say. I guess I'm just saying I'm grateful and thank you, ducks. Thank you, man. All this. You feed us. Yeah.
I do thank the ducks who fed us, and the chickens, and the cows, and
the pigs,
whatever other animals I've consumed.
And, the pigs. And the French even eat horse. They eat horses too. So I don't know.
I've heard of that. Horses? Yes. I think Japan. There's a part of Japan I think they eat horse too.
I think that people eat.
They
eat bird's nest soup.
Bird's nest. Thanks to the birds who donated their. Spit to us.
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah, that's great too.
Thanks, guys.
I think I don't got nothing left. That was a wild ride.
That's a good one.
All right, man.